Hello, I recorded this video after the one that's going to be released after this one. And I thought that I had made this video, but it turns out I didn't. And so here's what happened. A little while back, I made a very quick video. I was looking online for some code to generate the magnetic declination for any given location on Earth. And among all of the calculations made, the radius of the Earth was involved. And I tried a few different sources like the World Magnetic Model and associated software. I tried downloading some of their stuff that they had, and it didn't quite seem to work too well. I couldn't get it to work or to translate the code to work reasonably well in Java. So I did find a website that was JavaScript driven, and I took that JavaScript code and I successfully converted it to work as native Java. And so here it is. So I think maybe this was and it's also possible that they changed this page since because I was looking specifically for this. I do remember that I did end up taking JavaScript code and converting it to Java code. So here's all the math involved. It's fairly straightforward. Given a latitude and longitude, it will go and compute the magnetic declination. So this will go and get the magnetic declination for any given date. Once I had that, I wanted to generate the contour lines similar to this, but rather than just simply project it onto a Mercator map, I wanted to project it onto any type of map, whether it was the AE map or the azimuthal equidistant map, etc. And in order to do that, I did a very quick and dirty hack, which was essentially to brute force all of the various data points. The red lines on this map are magnetic declinations towards the east, and the blue lines are the magnetic declinations towards the west. And so this was my first attempt. The criteria for that was I was looking for contour lines every 5 degrees. The green line represents the point of 0 degree magnetic declination. The gaps in between are going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, and then the blue is going to be 5. Then there's going to be more, 10, more, and so on and so forth. So each of these lines represent 5 degrees of magnetic declination. And some of these are much thicker than others, which means that everything you see here is going to be 0 point something. And once I had built this matrix of magnetic declinations for any given geolocation and its magnetic declination, I was then able to apply that to any projection map that I wanted. And I wanted to do more work on this before I made these videos, which is probably why I didn't. But the next video that I actually recorded before this one explains what I did and why I made that video. And so I'll leave this video right about here. Thank you for watching. And if you like this video, as always, I would appreciate the thumbs up, the subscribe, and all of that other good stuff if you haven't done that already. And I'm going to see you again in the next video that should be out within a few minutes of this one. So bye for now.